members are very committed and they are doing their best within the limited resources, limited the ideas around them. So, because all of you come from the rich backgrounds of the industry, academic institutions and all that, whatever the suggestions you put it, the recommendations you put it, it would be very, very, very valuable to this organization and also for the career growth of the individual faculty. And at the end, it's not for me to talk much, it is to listen more from you. I know that. So at the end, what I request you is, so by the end of the day, try to identify the skill set or knowledge set available with the faculty. I think it may not match your expertise, for sure, for most of you, might be expertise. So there is a big gap, the available skill set and also your expertise. So without leaving that, you suggest some source or suggest some contact where they can get their this thing, because you are all elderly people and experts and you got many contacts being located in various metropolitan and industrial this thing. So this is the industry where you have to contact and get information. This is the project you can get it and do something. This kind of things also will have a great help for the faculty development. So otherwise, if a nuclear expert is there, nobody is there in that expertise, in that area, in that field, I think. So from among the faculty. But you can help a lot. You must have lots of contact with physics people. You must have contacts with mechanical people or many other robotic people. So somewhere something is there, so develop some contact with these people. I think it will go further. That is, apart from your suggestions, recommendations and all these things, develop some contact to these people so that they can go to the... We are very much ready to send them to the industry. We made it a mandatory. Almost any time 15 to 20% of the faculty should go to the industry, spend their time in the industry, see their practices and learn some skills from the industry and all that. So we have absolutely no objection to do that kind of activity also. So once again, I thank all the experts coming over from different places and spending with us your valuable time. And I hope and I wish this kind of meeting will help our faculty members in a great way to open their minds, to open their origin of their knowledge. Thank you very much. Thank you.